Welcome back to Omni Garage. So this is Ryobi's new 36 volt battery operated pressure washer. So thanks to Ryobi for sending this unit out to us. We did do a real deep dive where we unboxed it, set it up and assembled it. So go back and check that video out. We used it to wash one of our vehicles. So this pressure washer is 2030 PSI, that's max setting, and you're going to get roughly about sort of 13 to 24 minutes on a 6 amp hour battery, depending on which mode setting you have. This did come as a kit, so it does come with a 6 amp hour battery and it does come with a charger, which is really important, especially if you're new to Ryobi's ecosystem. You need a battery and a charger for this type of unit to work. So although this only comes with one 6 amp hour battery, they do recommend that you do have at least two 4 amp hour batteries to get the maximum amount of performance out of the machine. I do have two 6 amp hour batteries in here because I've got a lot of tools and a lot of batteries, so I'm lucky that I can do that. So we have our pressure washer unit here. We do have our gun, so we have a nice storage system on the back here for our hose. It comes with a wand. On here I've got our turbo nozzle. It does come with a 15-degree nozzle and also comes with a soap nozzle if you're going to be using the soap dispenser to, foam soap onto your patio or onto your house, etc. So front of the machine is where our hose and nozzle is going to come out. Our batteries are stored in this waterproof housing, which is really nice. The batteries just sort of clip into place here, like so. So all the onboard storage on this device is really nice, and it comes with a nice sort of handle so you can move your machine around, stow it away. It's all really nice and compact. So I'm going to get to and clean this really dirty patio. I am going to use it to clean a bit of the cobwebs and stuff off the side of the house, clean some outdoor furniture, and you will see this in a car cleaning application, which is really perfect. So we've come out of the dirty winter months, it's spring now, we want to really clean up the house, make it look nice and tidy for the summer months ahead. This unit is super easy to set up. Our hose attachment screws into the front. The hose then screws into the base of the handle here. Our lance then screws into the end of the handle. And at the end of the lance here, or at the end of the wand here, we have quick disconnect, which is really nice for attaching our accessories onto. So turbo nozzle, and if we wanted to switch that out for the 15-degree, and then you can do the same for the soap dispensing nozzle. For cleaning this patio down here, we're going to be using the turbo nozzle to hopefully be able to remove this dirt and grime from the concrete here. And then our water supply comes from the back of the pressure washer here. So when we're cleaning a dirty patio like this, I want to be using the highest setting possible. So when we have our green solid line around there, that means we're at 118 PSI. You push it again and it flashes 1450 PSI. And if you push it one more time, you get the 870 PSI. So that's really nice that there's 3 different modes depending on your cleaning application. So as you can see, the turbo nozzle was spinning that water around and it's cleaning the dirt out of the patio really nicely. Very little effort on that high setting. So there we have a really nice 50-50 of the before and after results. So now that we've done cleaning up the patio here, there's a whole heap of funk all over the house. We're going to get rid of those spider webs and stuff. We're going to change out our turbo nozzle for the 15-degree. We're going to drop the pressure down on the pressure washer and we're going to clean the exterior of the house. So there we have a really nice clean patio. We're going to jump into our outdoor furniture and give that a nice tidy up. Okay, so what I think is a huge advantage is the ability to have quick disconnects on the end of this nozzle here, so that you can actually attach third-party accessories like a foam cannon here, so that we can actually foam our car down. So I think that's really important, and I think you're going to like that feature. So there you have it. You've seen me clean the concrete patio, the house, the outdoor furniture, and the car. So once again, thank you to Ryobi for sending out this unit. I'm really enjoying using it. It has enough cleaning power to clean anything you would want to clean around the house. That's it from Omni Garage. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.